How cute is that? Like Goa white tops, you can say. I just wish मैं मेरे लिए भी ले लेती ये. It says New York. As we all know, the biggest Zudio sale is live. So today in this video, I'll be sharing with you all what you can buy from the sale and what all I have got. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya. Already know by the title right now what the video is all about. What are you waiting for? Without any further ado, let's get into it. So the price is starting from 199, 299. You will get basic t-shirts for 199. Then all the tops for 299. Some are for 499. And usually the dresses which you get for like 899, those are on sale for 499. So you can always have a look, check the details, and then. So let me just share what all I have got. Mostly I have bought the t-shirts because those were on a good price range. So as you all can see, damage has been done, guys. So firstly t-shirt से start करते हैं. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts. So I have got 5 t-shirts. Let me just show it to you one by one. Firstly, this is my favorite. So this is the white t-shirt which has the cute knot here. It is in the rib fabric, as you all can see. I will insert the click here so you can see how does it look. And sorry, the original price for this was $5.99. I got it on the sale for $2.99, and this is in the size medium. Next one which I got is very trendy butter yellow color. So this is a plain butter yellow color t-shirt, but it had just like the less detailing over here on the neck as well. And this is in the size small, and same, the original price for this was $3.99. I got it for $2.99. Again the basic t-shirt, it is in orangish color which has the white detailing on the neck and on the sleeves, and it says be real with a love. And the original price for this was $2.99. I got it for $1.49 only. Then the next one, I have this basic white t-shirt which I just got for, let me check, which I just got for $1.49 again. So this is the basic white t-shirt. It is little bit transparent, and sleeve is like this, and the other sleeve is like this. So I'll insert the clip here again so you will get an idea how does it look. Then the last t-shirt which I have is this. This is basically like a tank, and this, I don't know how to explain. You'll get an idea. I'll insert it here. And this was for rupees 3.99, but I got it for rupees 2.99. Then I got these 3 beachy tops. So the first one is very Pinterest free. How cute is that? I mean, no need to explain. This is pink, white, Pinterest free. It has buttons, it has ruffle, it has this, you can tie a bow here. It has everything which a girl needs. Talking about the price, this was originally for rupees 5.99, but I got it for rupees 2.99, and this is in the size small. Just get one size smaller. If you wear like medium size, just get it in small. My favorite till now. This one, this is for my sister, but I can also wear it. This is again pink. It is like a crochet material. This is how it looks from the back. Talking about the price again, originally that is for about $5.99. I got it for rupees 2.99 only. I don't know where I will wear this, but I still got it. It was on a sale, so technically you're saving money. Girl, let's just talk about the price first. $5.99. I got it for $2.99 again. And this is like a halter neck top. It is a backless halter neck. You will just have to tie it here. It is in the off-white color which has the pink flowers on it. So those were the 3 tops which I got. I got 2 waistcoat, you can say. One is the denim one. This is again very pretty. It has the white detailing here. which is embroidered. Yeah, it is embroidered, and it has this back, so it is not completely packed. You will get the button here. So this was the first. Originally this was for $6.99. I got it for $2.99. Sorry, I got it for $4.99, no, $2.99. Yeah, this was in the size small. Top section I have this. This is very cool. If you go to the office, wear this with the black trousers and it will look too good. So this is in the size medium and this is in the beige color. The original price again for this was $5.99. I got it for $2.99. Firstly, just try them and just see if they fit them or not, because you will get confused what to shop and what to not. But firstly, just wear them and then check if it is fitting you and then only buy it. Only one trouser which is for my sister, palazzo you can say. Very good. It is very pretty. It has this detailing here, and this यहाँ से यहाँ तक this is transparent and इधर तक you will get the lining. So this is in the size 28. It was originally for $7.99 and on the sale you will just get it for $2.99, baby. I didn't buy any dresses this time. My sister got 2 dresses. So let me just, so this is the first one. It is like a very trendy, it has this ruffle, and so it is a striped spaghetti dress. Originally for rupees 8.99, I got it just for rupees 4.99. Last one in the dresses, I have this. This is like a denim dress which is again for my sister, but this is very pretty. This is in the size medium. Original price for this for $8.99 and I got it for $4.99. And the last piece I have here are this chappals. So this was not on the sale. I got it for rupees 3.99. I think it's a steal deal. That's about it for me and my sister. My brother got this t-shirt for himself, then another shirt for him only. This is like a striped shirt. The color is too good. Original price for this was $5.99. So this was not on a sale. We got it for $5.99 only. This was on a sale. We got it for $149. Original price was $1.99. And lastly, for my mother, I got this pink kurti. It has a little glittery thing over here. So it is like good for the coming festive. She can wear it for the Rakhi as well. The original price for this was $4.99. We got it for $2.99. So yeah, that's all about this video, guys. Let me know in the comment what you like from this video and when you are planning to go. And again, the exchange is also available. If you want to exchange anything which you got, you can go to the same store. Don't go to any branch, because you know we wanted to exchange this kurti, but we got it from the another store, from another mall, and we went to another store, so they doesn't accept the return. They say from where you buy it वहीं पे आपको exchange करना है. So keep that in mind. If you have made it to this video till now, you all know what to do now. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.